Today we're at the train station and we are going on a little adventure. We are headed to Monte Carlo for the day. So we've just purchased our tickets and we are waiting for the train. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's a little on the cool side for us. It's 60 degrees. In Florida, we'd be all bundled up just like we are here. But it is beautiful. No breeze. No wind. So it's very comfortable. And just going to be a beautiful day. More when we get there.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
This is Villefranche-sur-Mer. If you look very closely, there's somebody down in the Mediterranean swimming. It's about 60 degrees outside. I bet that water is very cold. Villefranche-sur-Mer is such a charming little village. You should check back in one of my older videos to see our visit to Villefranche-sur-Mer one July 4th. This is Beaulieu-sur-Mer. Another lovely town we have not yet been to. Interesting at the top of the door. Louis Vuitton, Cartier. There's the casino. So some of it is being renovated in front, but we are, I think, going over to that cafe that's right in front to go have some lunch. It looks like they're just setting these things up right now. I wonder if they move. Well, we probably won't know, because if they don't go on until tonight, we won't be here. During the mid-1800s, the Monaco royal family were facing, I would say, imminent bankruptcy, and the princess at the time was Princess Caroline. And she proposed building a casino as a way to bring in revenue. And so back in the 1850s, the then ruling Grimaldi family, they built their first casino in La Condamine district. Unfortunately, because there was a lack of roads that connected Monaco, it made it inconvenient to get to. And what's more, if one was to make that long trip to Monaco, there were no quality hotels or restaurants to cater to the foreign aristocrats who would come to the casino. So the casino never took off. By the 1860s, however, things took a turn for the better. By that time, there was a direct road that connected Monaco to the rest of the Riviera. And even better, there was also the Hotel de Paris and Café Paris to cater to the visiting guests. And that was a major stepping stone, and the royal family then made their second attempt to open a casino. This one even grander and more elegant than the last. Not long after its opening, the casino accounted for over 95% of Monaco's revenue, and it saved the country from bankruptcy and earning a reputation as one of the most prestigious casinos in the world. So we have just purchased tickets for 18 euros per person to go into the casino, and they gave us our tickets and we can go inside. We're going to find a restaurant for lunch. The place we wanted to have lunch does not have anything available. It's beautiful out here. So along with our tickets, they gave us $10 or €10 per person tickets for 10 euros and a drink at the bar. I don't know if I'll be able to film in the casino, so we're just going to go in. So this is my lovely pot-au-feu that I have for lunch today, and it's got shrimp ravioli and steamed vegetables and mushrooms. And that is Jeff's lunch. I'm going to let him describe it for you.
And for the chef salad with shrimp, there's 4 shrimp on the side, some bacon, some little breadcrumbs, and some delicious lettuce.
This is the inside of the restaurant. Beautiful restaurant. And for dessert, there's this beautiful French eclair that we are going to share.